Hello, hi, I'm Hadi from Malaysia Property Insider. If you have been researching JB Properties, this video will give you a clear comparison between Causeway Square and the Asterias. So, if you have been looking for properties in JB for 2026, you have probably seen two names come up repeatedly, which is the Causeway Square and the Asterias. Both are strong new launches, but they serve completely different types of buyers. So in this video, I will compare both side by side, so you can decide which project fits your lifestyle or investment goals. And if you want the full comparison table, layout breakdown and consultant notes, I have prepared a free buyer comparison guide, so you can download it using the link in the description. So first, a quick overview. The Causeway Square is a freehold mixed development located next to JB Central, within walking distance to CIQ and the upcoming RTS link. So meanwhile, the Asterias is a leasehold residential project located about 6 to 8 minutes from the CIQ, offering larger and more comfortable layouts. When it comes to location, the difference is very clear. Causeway Square is roughly 6 to 800 meters from CIQ. It is walkable, highly convenient and ideal for anyone who frequently travels to Singapore. You don't need a car for daily movement. The Asterias, on the other hand, is not walkable, but it's still a short drive from the CIQ. The environment is more relaxed and residential, which suits buyers who prioritize space and comfort rather than border convenience. So next one is the layout. And this is where these two projects differs the most. Causeway Square focus on compact, efficient units that work well for singles, young professionals and investors. The units are basically designed for practicality and rental demand. And the Asterias offers much larger layouts. These units feel more like actual homes, with better kitchen space, proper living area and more privacy. If long-term livability matters to you, Asterias is much stronger. And if you want the full layout comparison, it's included inside the buyer guide. For facilities and density, Causeway Square has a more urban feel. It's a higher density, which means more people, more movement, but also stronger rental demand. The facilities are modern and positioned for city-style living. The Asterias is lower density with a calmer, family-friendly environment. Facilities are spread across multiple levels with a rooftop deck, making the project feel more private and comfortable for long-term stay. In terms of pricing, Causeway Square has a higher price per square foot. Because of its prime location near CIQ. You are basically paying for the convenience and the freehold status. The Asterias has a lower price per square foot, giving you more space for the same budget. It's better for buyers who want a larger home without stretching their finances. The detailed price comparison table is inside the free guide. For rental potential, Causeway Square is extremely strong. Tower A is Airbnb enabled with an official short stay operator. Being walkable to CIQ means very high rental demand from Singapore-based commuters and short-term travelers. The Asterias is not have Airbnb project. Is better suited for long-term tenants, families, experts and professionals who prefer stability over short stays. So, who should buy which project? If you are a Singapore commuter, or if you want the strongest rental performance, Causeway Square makes more sense. If you are small family or someone who prioritize space, comfort and privacy, the Asterias is the better choice. If you are an investor looking specifically for Airbnb yield, then Causeway Square Tower A is the clear winner. If you prefer stable 12 to 24 month tenancy, the Asterias is more suitable. So to summarize, Causeway Square excels in mobility, convenience and rental strength. The Asterias excels in comfort, livability and space. Actually, both are strong in different ways. It just depends which lifestyle fits you. So if you want the full comparison tables, layout by layout breakdown, unit selection framework and consultant notes, download the free buyer comparison guide using the link below. It's a detailed resource to help you shortlist the right unit confidently. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.